Hi everyone, and welcome to Unbound Learners Pre-K. My name is Nina. So as you can see, in the wintertime where I live, we get tons and tons of snow. But not all snow is good for building a snowman. Look at this. This snow is too light and fluffy and won't hold together well. So instead, I have a really fun winter activity to share with you from Victoria over at Modern Homestead Mama. We're going to make snowmen inside without using any snow. Let's go check it out. Before we begin our activity, I want to teach you a song all about a snowman. It goes like this. I know a little snowman that had a carrot nose. Along came a bunny, and what do you suppose? That hungry little bunny was looking for his lunch. He ate that snowman's carrot nose. Nibble, nibble, crunch. That was fun. Are you ready to build a snowman with me? Let's go. Let's build a snowman. Victoria from Modern Homestead Mama calls this an invitation to play tray. Now on my tray, I have some Play-Doh, and I'll link a very simple recipe that I have in the description below. And let's just quickly go over the material that I'm going to be using. Now, I have a combination of craft material as well as some more organic material that I collected outside. So I have some popsicle sticks, a couple of colorful pipe cleaners, some googly eyes, and then I went outside and I found some small twigs, some pebbles, a couple of acorn tops. But again, there's no wrong or right way to design your snowman. But the first thing that you need to do is take the Play-Doh and we're going to make the body of the snowman. Now usually a snowman has 3 parts to the body. So take your Play-Doh and let's divide it into 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. Next, we need to make these 3 Play-Doh pieces into balls. So you can either make a ball by forming it in your hand like this and rolling it around, or you can take the piece of Play-Doh and roll it into a ball on a flat surface like this. So roll it around and around. And last piece. There we go. So we have 1, 2, 3 balls. Now it's time to attach them all together and form the snowman's body. So I like to start with the larger one on the bottom as a base. Then I'm going to put the next biggest one on top and the smaller one on top of that. And I'm just going to lie this snowman down flat so that you can see as I build it. So I have the bottom, the body, and the head. Now it's time to decorate your snowman. And again, there's no right or wrong way to do that. So first I'm going to start off with arms. My snowman is going to have 2 arms. I wonder if I should be more colorful today. I think I'm going to stick with these little twigs, 1 on each side. Now I'm going to make the face on the snowman. So my snowman needs to see. So I'm going to take 1, 2 googly eyes, but maybe your snowman is a silly snowman. Maybe your snowman only has 1 eye, or maybe it has 3 eyes. Next, I need a carrot nose. Instead of a carrot, I'm going to use this little orange pipe cleaner and just stick it out just like that for my snowman's nose. Now, sometimes snowmans have buttons that go down the center. So I'm going to take these black beans and just go down the center of the snowman. I think I'm only going to use 3 today, but maybe your snowman is wearing a very large jacket and the buttons will go all the way down. Now, the last thing that my snowman needs is a hat to stay warm. So I'm going to take this acorn top and I'm going to put it on top of my snowman's head, just like that. Now let's stand my snowman up so that we can get a better look. There we go. So again, friends, there's no right or wrong way to design a snowman. It's exactly how you'd like it to look. Making a snowman is such a fun activity to do in the winter time. And thanks to this great idea from Victoria at Modern Homestead Mama, you can build a snowman no matter where you live. If you like this activity, you can find more from Victoria in the description below. Also, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and be sure to join me at circle time every Monday through Friday. Before we go, let's sing the snowman song together one last time. I know a little snowman who had a carrot nose. Along came a bunny, and what do you suppose? That hungry little bunny was looking for his lunch. He ate that snowman's carrot nose, nibble, nibble, crunch. Happy snowman building, everyone! See you at circle time!